Introduction. Welcome, everyone. I'm Dayanand, and I'm thrilled to have you here for our Introduction to Programming series. Importance of programming. Programming is the driving force behind our modern world, from the apps we use to the systems that power our cities. Course overview. In this series, we'll take you on an exciting journey, starting from the very basics and progressing to real-world applications. Choosing a programming language. We'll explore popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and more, helping you find the best fit for your interests. Setting up development environment. Don't worry about the technicalities, we'll guide you step by step to set up your coding environment. Basic syntax. We'll cover essential concepts like variables, data types, and writing your first lines of code. Control structures. Learn how to make decisions and repeat actions with conditionals and loops. Functions and methods. Discover the power of functions to organize your code and methods to work with data efficiently. Data structures. We'll dive into data structures, allowing you to handle and manipulate data like a pro. Input and output. Learn how to communicate with your programs through input and output functions. Debugging and troubleshooting. Debugging is a vital skill. We'll teach you how to find and fix errors in your code. Course conclusion. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge to embark on your coding journey confidently. Hit that subscribe button and never miss an episode. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you for joining us today. Happy coding, and see you in the first lesson.